Rajen Jani tutorial, start. Talk about steps to protect the environment.
Protecting our environment is becoming more and more critical, and it's something we all need to pitch in on. One of the most straightforward steps we can take is to reduce our consumption. Essentially, we need to cut back on buying things we don't truly need. Recycling is another big one, and it's not just about putting cans and bottles in the right bin. It's about making sure we're doing our bit to keep materials out of landfills. Furthermore, embracing renewable energy sources like solar or wind power is a massive stride forward. We really need to get on board with these innovations. Conserving water is also vital. Simple habits like shorter showers or fixing leaky faucets can make a world of difference. Supporting businesses that have a strong environmental ethic can also move the needle in the right direction. We should also strive to use public transport or carpool whenever possible, rather than driving solo everywhere, which really helps to clear the air. Educating ourselves and others about environmental issues is another crucial step. Knowledge is power, and we can't bury our heads in the sand anymore. Small actions, when multiplied by millions, can truly turn the tide against environmental degradation. We need to think globally but act locally, understanding that every small effort helps to keep the ball rolling. Let's not forget the importance of advocating for stronger environmental policies. We need to speak up for what's right. Ultimately, protecting the environment is about being good stewards of our planet and ensuring that future generations don't have to pay the piper for our mistakes. It's a collective effort, and we all need to pull our weight. We really can't afford to wait any longer. The time to act is now.
Rajen Jani tutorial, end.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits: Tutorial Rajen Jani. Text Google Gemini AI. Images Copilot Image Creator. Audio Google Cloud Text to Speech. Parts of Speech Google Cloud Natural Language API. Python Code Google Gemini AI. Video Editor Kdenlive.